In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update CapCut app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up App Store. After that, tap right here to go to search and then search for CAP. That's how we can easily find the CapCut here and add search results. First off, tap right here to open it up. That's where we can easily find this update button, and all we have to do in order to get the latest version is just tap right here and then wait until the downloading process is complete. If you see here the open button, it means that you have already the latest CapCut app version installed on your device and you don't need to update it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.